Triton, hark. Bellow be our father, the Sea King. Rise from the depths, full foul in its fury. Black waves teeming with salt foam to smother this young month with pungent slime. To choke you, engorging your organs, 𝗙𝗵𝗆 blue. And bloated with bilge and brine and can scream no more. Only when he, crowned in cockle shells, with slithering tentacle tail and steaming beard, take up his 𝗙𝗵𝗆 arm. His coral-tined Triton screeches banshee-like in the tempest and plunges right through your gullet, bursting in. A bulging bladder no more, but a blasted bloody fume now and nothing for the RPs and the souls of dead sailors to pick and claw and leap upon only to be swallowed by the infinite waters of the dreaded himself. Forgot to any man, forgot to any god or devil, forgot even to the sea, for any part or stuff of Winslow. Is Winslow no more? But it's now itself. The sea.
Hello, good people of Middle-earth. Right, well, I'm standing here in the same location where I made the Sorcery, the Invocation of Strangeness book review back in 2018. It's located in this direction. And I just came today to stretch my legs and find some peace, quiet and some shade, which apparently will not happen because it's like 34, 35 degrees Celsius right now. These are the last let's say hot summer days of this year. Even in some place in Europe that it may already be early autumn. Here on the Balkans, not so much. Anyways, just wanted to show you. I haven't been here like 6 months. I mean, I come here from time to time. I sit here in this place, in this spot, and what I encountered was like these, cut off branches, cut off sort of young trees, and apparently someone started building like I don't know, sort of a experimental kind of a place to sit, and they'll probably put something on the top, you know. It's an interesting thing. People come here, they assemble these trees, and as I said, they'll probably put something on top, like I don't know, a fabric or like something to cover, to act as a roof, you know. And I have nothing against that. It's cool as long as people are cleaning after themselves and just, you know, being respectful to nature. So yeah, as you can see, some rocks, they started settling in. Interesting. Here's a wizard stuff. You shall not pass. Yes, sir. You shall not pass indeed. Anyways, and yeah, as I said, I was looking for some peace, quiet, and some to hide from the heat, but it's still pretty hot in here. Even standing here in the shade, if that can be called shade, but I'm looking forward to the autumn season, because I just cannot stand the heat anymore. It's pretty ironic, isn't it? I was born in August, mid-August, during the heat of the of summer, the height of summer, and I cannot stand the heat. It's kind of ironic, but anyhow. So yeah, that's it for now.
Hark, Triton, hark. Bellow, beat our father, the Sea King. Rise from the depths, full foul in his fury. Black waves teeming with salt foam, to smother this young mouth with pungent slime. 𝗚𝗏𝗿𝗁, engorging your organs, tea turn blue with